guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be sharing with you guys a skincare video. You guys, I've been trying to really make a special effort to bring more skincare videos to you guys, to review more skincare products because there's so much skincare products out there and I don't feel like there's enough reviews for you guys. I feel like there's definitely a skincare review need here on YouTube. I don't know if that's true or not, but I feel that way. So I've been really making a special effort to do more skincare videos on my channel for you guys because there's so many skincare needs and it's so personalized to everyone. Everyone needs something different, everyone wants something different, everyone prefers something different, and so I figure that the more skincare products I tell you guys about, the more likely I am and the more people I'm able to reach that will actually be able to use some of these products. Do you know what I mean? Skincare is so important. It's so important and it's my obsession right now. I'm so obsessed with skincare. Now that I'm 27 years old, I realize it's important to actually take care of your skin. Nobody told me that before now that I'm almost 30. Nobody told me that before. So I really wish I would have been taking care of my skin in high school, but I didn't. So I really wanted to make a special effort to do more skincare reviews, skincare videos, to kind of help promote good skin health on your end because it's important. If nobody has told you, it's important to take care of your skin now. Like this second, it's important. So today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys a mask. I'm going to be telling you guys what the company claims about the mask, and I've been doing this with foundation videos and I find that it's very, very helpful, especially for me as a consumer. When I go to buy something, I watch reviews too, and I like to know what they say it's supposed to do, and 2, does it actually do what they say it's supposed to do, and 3, does it do more, less, what does it actually do? Just to help me decide, hey, is it worth it? Why am I getting it? Am I getting it for this reason, but it doesn't even do this reason, but it does this other reason? Like, I like to think about that stuff before I even start thinking about whether I want to buy it or not. So I feel like reviews like this are very helpful so that if you're looking for skincare masks, you kind of know what this one claims, what this one actually does, my thoughts on it as someone who's tried it for about a month. Why do I want to say more than a month? I don't know how long. I know it's been a month, but I wonder if it's been more than a month that I've been using this. I'm not sure, but now that I've been using it for a month, I can give you guys my actual thoughts and my formed opinion about the product and hopefully give you as much information as you possibly need. Yes, today we're talking about the Alya Skin, what is it? Pink Perfect Australian Pink Clay Mask. That's a long name, but it's the pink clay mask, and I'm going to review it. I'm going to show you before and after pictures of my skin. I'm also going to show you how I apply it, how to properly apply it. I'm going to give you my full review and thoughts on it. So if you're excited for skincare and you think skincare is important, do you want to have healthy skin? Then give me a like and hit that subscribe button while you're down there, and don't forget to hit that little bell. If you don't hit the notification bell, my videos will not go into your subscription feed. So make sure that you hit that bell. Okay, so the Alya Skin Australian Pink Perfect Clay Mask. Okay, so I'm on their website. I will link the website below just so that you know this was sent to me for free to try out. They offered to send it to me. Anytime anyone offers skincare, I always say, yes, send it to me. I would love to try it. And if I like it, I share with you guys. That's just how it is. This was sent to me. I am not sponsored. I do not receive any compensation if you buy this. I just want to share with you guys some skincare products because I know skin issues is no joke. It's not fun. And it's really important to have healthy skin. Because I can talk about makeup all day long, but you really need to have good skin and healthy skin. What I mean by that is if you meet the needs of your skin, and that's what's gonna make your makeup look even better. And so I hope that this mask is helpful for those of you that need something like this. So also of course, I got a coupon code for you guys. 15% off. All you have to do is put in Bondbeautyful. I'll put it below. I'll put the link below if you're interested. That way, if you do want to get something like this, you at least get 15% off. That way I can help y'all out. You know what I mean? I don't get paid for that. Just so you know. Okay, so on the website, it says it does 3 things. It strengthens, it detoxes, and it cleanses your skin. So with strengthening, it says, oh, first off, this is vegan and cruelty free. Just so you know. Okay, so it says the, what is it? Kaolin? Clay removes toxins, pollutants, and nasties from your skin. Helps to remove pigmentation clusters from your skin surface, as well as stimulate regeneration of skin cells. That sounds very, very yummy. It detoxes, it reduces skin inflammation and assists in removing eczema and acne. Contains antioxidants that are amazing for your skin's health. Tightens your pores and gives you smoother skin. It has aloe vera and pomegranate for that. Cleansing provides anti-aging like effect and tones the skin, speeds up the healing of pimples, detoxifies your skin from all the nasty pollutants that come in contact with your skin, keeping it fresh and healthy, and it does have witch hazel in here for that. And it doesn't have 5 stars, but it is their website. But I'm just letting you know, 5 stars. So right now, as I'm looking at the website, there is a sale going on as well, because this does retail for $69.99, but right now it's on sale for $39.99, and then you will get 15% off with my coupon code, and you do have an option of getting a pack of 2 for $59.99 if you want. So you get your second jar 50% off if you just decide you want to get 2. Okay, so it says this is 3 things. It strengthens, it detoxes, and it cleanses your skin. It tightens your pores, it closes your pores up, it brightens your skin, it helps with the tone, it definitely cleans and detoxifies your skin. Are the main claims that this has. So does it actually do it? Yes, you guys, it does. It does do it. It's a really good detoxing mask or purifying mask. What is it? Does it say purifying or detoxing? Mine just makes it detoxify and brighten. Okay, so it does do those things, and it does brighten your skin. Okay, so I have someone that has a lot of, and I'll show you in a second like how I looked before, but I do have like little scabbies, and I have some dark pigmentation right now, like bruising and stuff like that. Being Latina, I do have pigmentation issues and not uneven skin tone. Those are my main issues. I do have dry skin / normal skin, dry, normal skin, sensitive skin. I will break out. I mean, my face was healing from a recent breakout because my hormones were up the wazoo. I was super stressed and I broke out all over my face, right like in the middle of foundation week. So, those are my skin issues. I do have pores that are very large, and they were very, very clogged from foundation week and from just all the filming I had to do and all the makeup I was just piling on my face for like long periods of time. So I do, those are my skin issues, okay? And this works very beautifully for me. I've been using this for a month, and it wasn't till after foundation week that I really noticed, like I was like, wait a minute, that it does clear out your pores and tightens them. What it says that it tightens, it does. It like closes your pores. So I did notice just recent, like I said, with foundation week, that my pores were very clogged. I put this on, and right after my pores looked very, very clean and very, very fresh, and my whole face felt and looked fresh and clean, like truly clean. Cleansing and scrubbing your face doesn't clean your face as much as this mask cleaned my face, but it didn't clean my face in a way where my face felt tight like this, you know, like it didn't feel tight. So my face didn't feel dry after using this, which is really, really good. It was the first thing that I noticed. It felt just normal, like just normal. And I did notice that it cleared out my pores and that it tightened them. It made them look smaller, noticeably smaller. And I was really impressed because I don't think I have another mask that does that as well as this one does, to where it like I noticed it right away. Also, it did brighten my skin. been using this for a while, and it does kind of help with the pigmentation issue. It's not going to completely take everything away, but it definitely does help. And it did, but I did notice my face looked brighter and healthier and kind of glowier. It just healthy, like I looked healthy. My color looked beautiful after I used this mask. So I do think that it does do what it claims that it's supposed to do. Also with the acne thing, I didn't wear this enough on top of like my blemishes to really know if it helps with that, but it was soothing. It made like my spots that were just irritated, it did make them feel soothed, and it didn't irritate them more, which I really, really liked. So let me stop right there because I completely forgot to say something. You guys, anytime you're using skincare for the first time, please, please, please try skincare out here on your wrist to make sure that you don't have a reaction or that you're not allergic to it. I do want to say that, you guys, make sure that you're very careful with something that you put on your face. I didn't have any reactions to this, but that doesn't necessarily mean that you won't. That's just me just putting that out there because I think that if you have dry skin or oily skin, you will really like this. If you have oily skin, you will definitely for sure like this. If you have dry skin like me, this is a mask that isn't going to tighten your face and make your face feel stripped. A lot of times purifying, detoxing masks will strip my face. That's why I don't use them very often. This is the only one that I am using currently because it doesn't make me feel stripped. It makes my skin feel normal. And then I just go in right after that with some moisturizers, some oil, stuff like that to really hydrate my skin and make my skin feel really, really plumpy and nice. Okay, so how I apply the mask, I basically cleanse my face like normal, and I go ahead and apply the mask on my dry face. I use my fingers because I don't have a brush or a spatula, and I put it on all over the face wherever I want the mask. So around my nose, my cheeks, my chin, my forehead, and I let it sit for 10 minutes. So I usually use the mask at night. I will let it sit for 10 minutes, and I'll go about getting ready for the rest to go to sleep, and then I'll come back and I'll rinse it off and pat my face dry. After I do that, I put on any creams or anything that I typically will wear after. I don't just leave it like that. I definitely recommend you have some sort of night cream or moisturizer if you're doing this during the day. I have recently really been loving, if I do this during the day, my Mix Easy moisturizer. I've done a review on that too. It's basically a moisturizer. So it's a moisturizer that I concocted myself. And I put that on my face, and then I go ahead and put on the Youth Booster from Violation. Is it Violation or Violation? Violation. And I put that on all over the face, and it leaves my face feeling so plumpy and perfectly fresh and clean. I can't even stress enough, you guys, if you are looking for a good purifying mask, try this one. I think this one is good for oily or dry skin or combination skin. And the reason for that is because if you have dry skin like I do, it will not dry out your skin even more. It just is like a normal, it feels normal on your skin. Like it doesn't feel drying and it doesn't feel hydrating. And if you have oily skin, it definitely isn't going to make your skin more oily. It's going to really clean your skin. And if you don't like that extra like dewy hydration feeling, it's not going to do that for you. So I feel like this is good for a lot of different skin types. I think that was the main thing that I don't like about detoxing masks is they really do make your skin feel tight and stripped and dry. And this one does not do that, you guys. This one is such a good one. It has like a light rose scent. Smells really, really good. So another thing I did want to touch base, if you kind of heard clay mask and you kind of were like turned off by it, maybe because you've tried clay masks before. I've tried clay masks before, and I feel like clay masks are definitely more harsh on my skin. I have sensitive skin, and I feel like sometimes clay masks are too much and they'll make my skin afterwards red and agitated. This did not do that. This is a very gentle clay mask that will just take off all of your impurities, and it just leaves your skin feeling really fresh without making it feel more agitated. My skin actually felt more soothed because you guys saw those kind of like the healing breakouts that I had on my face. This actually made my skin feel more soothed. I don't use it enough with acne to know if it helps it heal faster, but I do know that my skin did feel very soothed after I used this. So all all in all, you guys, I just wanted to kind of open your guys' eyes on this mask, tell you guys about it. If you were, maybe you had been looking at the mask and you went to look for a review and you saw my review, hopefully I gave you information about how this actually works. If you guys weren't looking for a mask, but you've been thinking that you need a good purifying mask, this is a good option for you guys. I hope you guys have been enjoying my reviews. You guys stay tuned for Friday's video because I am, can you see this hat hair first off? You see my roots that I'm covering up here? Well, Friday's video is going to be about how I do my roots. I'm doing that tonight. And I'm gonna share with you guys how I bleach my roots and kind of re-dye my hair and all that kind of stuff. So make sure that you are subscribed so that you don't miss Friday's video if you were interested in that. I love you guys. Thank you guys so much for hanging out with me, and I will see you guys next time. Bye guys.